What's up? This is Bro the Handyman, and in this video we're going to go ahead and do some more welding. I got a bed frame that the leg got bent off. Well, not bent off, just bent. And we're going to bend it back and put a weld on it. And hopefully in the future this never happens. So only one bent. But I'm going to go ahead and weld all four, and hopefully we don't have this problem again. So I'll give you a couple of tips on how would I weld 1/8 of an inch material, and hope this helps you guys out. Alright guys, here's the problem area. You can look at this one right here and you can clearly tell it's due to the left a little bit, and go look at another one so you can kind of see the difference. See how this one's straight up. But I'm gonna go ahead and put a bead right here. This ain't real thick, real thin material. This is not bad. We can get a bit weld on that one pretty easy. And this one right here, we'll just have to bend it back. And then we'll have, obviously we'll have four. But this is the only one that's broken, well bent, I should say. And it's not that difficult to put it back. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up on both sides on all four of them. And we'll come back and then I'll bend this one back, put a clamp on it and hold it, and then put a bead on it. I know some might say something about the grinder without a guard. Well, I feel comfortable running it like that. If you don't, do not. By all means, I never would recommend using it without that. But I do have my safety glasses on because I want to protect my eyes. And I do wear a face shield. And I'm not wearing it for the video. I wear it all the time. So, here we go. I got it cleaned up. The reason why I don't wear gloves is I just hate them. I wear gloves during certain applications, but I hate gloves. So, anyways, back to what we're doing here. And we're going to get it done. You're going to say something about me not putting my thing on. Just drawing a little spot for my ground. Alright guys, this is the machine I'm using, a Lincoln SP180. I usually set, for this material, I set it on B, the voltage B, and then about a little under 3 is where I put my wire speed. It's not exactly 3, but it's a little under. that's basically what I'm gonna do all the way around. Whenever I get to the one that needed being bended back, I'm gonna go ahead and get back on there. Alright guys, show you what my welds look like. Well, they're not really big enough to be welds, maybe tacks. No, I'm just teasing. So they should hold. Here's the bent one. We're gonna get to that in a little bit. Here's the other ones. They're not perfect, but they'll hold. I might do this one too, since it's right in the middle, because disconnects here, and this arm swings. So welding these won't affect the integrity of it if you wanted to move it out of the room. Besides, I did move it out of the room completely assembled, so I think we're in good shape either way. So let me go ahead and set the camera up, and we're gonna get this bent. I don't think it's gonna be too hard. Alright guys, I don't even know what's gonna work. I go ahead and took it apart so I can put it on the floor and try to make it easier. Because the problem it runs into is that I try to bend this back and the other one wants to bend. So I have to bend this way and then get the other one to bend back the other way. Kind of went in there. Alright, this is what we got so far. I almost got it straight. If you look sight down it like that, it's got a little curve to the left, but it is not too bad. It's actually a whole lot better than what it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit more bend on it to the right, and I'll be back. Alright, there we go, guys. That's the best I'm gonna do. Alright guys, this concludes that video. I'll go ahead and weld these this one right here off camera, put it back together and stick it back in the room. If you like this kind of content, hit where I do random stuff around the house to get things done so I can tackle a job. Just hit the notification, subscribe, the notification key so you don't miss an upload, and hit the like so you can help the algorithm, so help me out. I'd really appreciate it. Appreciate you watching. Thanks, and see y'all in the next one.